Hi, welcome back to Sunstone Studios. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this candy cane ornament to go on your Christmas tree this year. Not only do they work for ornaments, they also work if you want to give your doll an accessory to hold, or to go in a Christmas theme set. The materials you need are red medium yarn, white medium yarn, any type of wire. I am using a green plastic cover wire, hot glue, any size crochet hook. The thickness of your candy cane will depend on the size hook. I am using a 4mm hook. To start, use your red yarn and make a slip knot. Now, chain 32. Now increase single crochet in every chain. End your work and make a second coil in white. When you have both of your coils made, cut a small piece of wire. You can also use pipe cleaners. Start heating up your hot glue. I am going to take my 2 coils and line them up at the top, and I'm going to tie them together. Now that we have the coils together, we are going to wrap them around our wire. Now that I've done that, I'm going to add some hot glue to keep the wire and coils in place. After you are done with that, bend your candy cane to your liking. The very last thing I'm going to show you is how to add the loop to hang your candy cane. Insert your crochet hook to the top of the candy cane, and then pull a small piece of yarn through, and then we are going to tie it. Cut the excess yarn. Pull the knot to where it cannot be shown, and then you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make this candy cane ornament, and I will see you next time on A Christmas of Crocheting.